I just received this copyright claim on one of my YouTube videos, and if you're someone who's facing the same problem, you received a copyright claim and you want to get rid of that copyright claim, you clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how to get rid of copyright claims. There are actually multiple ways and I'm going to share all of them with you. Before we begin, if you're on a cell phone, you can follow along the same steps. You just need to follow a couple of extra steps initially. And the first step is you need to go to any browser and type in studio.youtube.com. Once the website opens up, log in with your YouTube account. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. Once you click on that, it is going to take you to the same page, same layout that you see right now on my screen. And from here onwards, you can follow the steps that I'm doing right now. This is the video that I uploaded just now. It is unlisted, so it's not public right now, but I've received this copyright claim and there's some information that's displaying on my screen. It says copyright protected content found. The owner allows the content to be used on YouTube. In my case, the owner of the content is generous, so he's allowing me to use the content, but in your case, it might be different. There might be restrictions as well. So in order to get rid of this copyright claim, we need to click on see details because we want to first see the reason why we get this copyright claim. When I click on this, it opens up this window, and on this window, under content identified in this video is listed below. You're going to see the exact reason why you received this copyright claim. In my case, I used a song, Pasuri by Ali Sethi, and that's the reason why I received this copyright claim. The content found during, it's going to tell you the portion of your video where you've used that song, that copyrighted material. In my case, it starts as 00 and it goes till 2:36. So that's the full length of my video. I use this track in the entire length of my video. If I want to get rid of this copyright claim, as I told you in the beginning, there are 2 to 3 easy ways. For that, you need to go on the right side and click on actions, the 3 dots that you see on the screen here. And there are 3 options, in fact 4 options that you have. To get rid of the copyright claim instantly, there are 3 options. So first one is trim out segment. You might see that this is grayed out in my case. Reason for that is I've used this track on the entire length of my video. So it's not a portion of the video, it's the entire video where I've used that song. So I cannot trim that segment out. Trim out segment means you can simply click on this, and if you've used a track, let's say for 15 seconds or 10 seconds in your video, and you want to just get rid of that 15-second portion of the video, you can simply trim that out. It is going to cut that portion from your video, and then your copyright claim is going to be removed. Second option is to replace the song. So now I can click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to open up the YouTube library in front of me. And this song, the copyrighted song that I've used, I can replace this with any copyright-free YouTube music from the audio library. So I can just add any of these tracks. I can just play to see. So I can add this, I can add any of these tracks. When I click add, you guys can see that it has replaced this portion of the song that I used in my video. I cannot drag it because the length of this track is 1 minute and 38 seconds. So let's just go ahead and choose another track. Let's remove this and maybe choose one that is 2 minutes and 27 seconds. This is almost going to cover the length of our video, and it's going to replace that track. So it's pretty easy. You can play and listen to it. Once you add it, it's going to replace your original track. It's going to add a track from the YouTube audio library. Very easy way to fix that. Once you save the changes, your copyright claim is going to be removed. We're going to discard changes right now and look at the third option that we have. Third option is to mute the song. So you can simply click mute song. It's going to mute that song in that portion of the video. Your video is going to be muted, by the way. Just take a note of that. If you don't want, your audience to hear nothing in a video which gets very boring, if you don't have people speaking in the background, you should go with the other 2 options that I showed you, or mute song only. This is a beta version of this, but you can just mute the song and people speaking in the background in the video, you can hear them. Now, these are the 3 options. Fourth option that you have is to dispute. What this option does is, if you believe that YouTube's algorithm made a mistake of giving you that copyright claim, whereas you think you did not use anybody's music, this is your own content, you can always dispute this. Click dispute, and it is going to file a dispute with YouTube. So when you click on this, it tells you eligibility, reason, requirements, and rationale. I own a copy of the song or the video. I'm not making money from my video. I gave credit to the copyright owner. Even if you've given the credit, You cannot use copyrighted content unless you have a written proof. If you do, that's another story. Click on this box and then continue. It is going to ask you to put in the reason, put in the requirements and the rationale. And once you submit that after entering the dispute, it is going to get submitted. It's going to take some time, and after that YouTube is either going to approve it and remove the copyright claim, or it is going to let you know that your copyright claim stays, and then you can use one of these options to get rid of the copyright claim. Now that's how you remove copyright claim from your videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.